Welcome to Unit 19G at the W Residences Boston. Located in the heart of the Theater District, a very short walk to the Boston Public Gardens, downtown, Back Bay, and the South End. The unit features 1,871 square feet, corner unit with beautiful views and 180 degrees around. It's 2-bedroom, 2.5 baths, plus a study. Notice the details in the custom designed study. The base features lacquered white cabinets with floating shelves above. The polished zebra marble tile brings some great life to the powder room, and it's complemented by the contemporary vanity in stainless steel and white lacquer. The cook's kitchen features Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Mealy appliances, complemented by a quartz waterfall custom countertop. And if you're hungry, perfect living here. Just grab the phone, dial down, and instantly your dinner can be delivered from the hotel below.